Here is Masala train station. If you have wheelchair passengers, you can go down from here. Here is car parking and same parking. It is both sides. Now I'm in at second track. Here is Masala platform. Here stops X trains, U, E trains and L trains. Here you can see it. Same here, you can see it. Track 2. Here is 2 monitors where you can see information about your train. And you can buy ticket from this station. Here you can see information desk. And from information desk you can see timetables, some news and all down train community lines and more. Here are at Masala train station.